Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Artman brand, their NP-550 battery dual charger with a lit active LCD display. It includes two 2900 milliamp hour NP-550 batteries, and that's a pretty high density battery. Most of the time they're not that high density, usually 2200 milliamp hour. Now there's a whole list of what this is compatible with. People that have Sony cameras and also light kits are going to love this product. I'm going to show you how I use it in my application. But this is compatible with Sony NP-550, 530, 570, F330, F970, F960, F750, 770, CCD-SC55, TR516, TR716, TR818, and TR910. And that's a long list, but it shows you how popular this mount is that Sony came up with and how it is used on so many different cameras and light kits. So this is a perfect replacement for any NP-550 system. It's professionally manufactured to strict original Sony NP-F battery size specifications. They have to make sure that it fits perfectly, and then also has the safety features built in, like over voltage, over current, undercurrent, temperature, things like that. And this will allow you to run, if some of your cameras will run 3 to 4 hours, 2 times the normal battery because of the higher capacity. And this is an intelligent battery. So let's take a look at what it comes with. It has the cable right here for charging, USB-A to a micro USB. Here's the two batteries themselves, right here, the Artman batteries. Then here's the nice charger, and there's the display we're going to show. It's unique because you have two methods of charging. You have micro and USB-C. So that's a nice option that they threw on there. So let's take a look. We're going to take this included cable and we're going to put it on a USB-A port off camera, and there it's plugged in off camera. And let's take a look. I'm going to plug this right in and line this up to the micro C connection on there. Gotta make sure it goes in the right direction. Just like that. Now it comes on, it's got a little lit display, and it's just waiting for the batteries to go on. And you take the battery and you got the contact side and you put it on there vertically like that, and it locks it right in place. Then you see it's got a nice display going right there, and it's letting you know that it is advancing the charging cycle. Very simple, and that will totally go to all the bars on, and it will shut off that little LCD display. I really like that because most of them just have a little simple LED. That little status display is really nice. This thing stays put wherever you put it while it's charging. Very, very simple to use. Another thing I like is that if you have other batteries that are of this style, which I do, I've got other ones that aren't as high of a capacity. So here's another brand, and I could plug that brand right in this charger, and I'm going to get these ones to charge also, which is totally different branded batteries. So it's compatible with anything that has a mechanical of that NP-550 style. So that's another benefit of this. You can use it for other batteries. Now I'm going to show you what I use this for. So here's just one of the applications. I have a VidPro light, and I could slide the Artman pack right in there. And then I have the ability to use this great light and have all the features on there. And it fits absolutely perfect, and I get really long run times also. So that beautiful green that you're seeing during this video review is one of these lights, and the Artman battery works perfect on here. Now this particular light takes two of these great batteries, just like that, and I can turn it on, and I could increase the brightness, and I could use this light in my studio just like I'm doing, and don't have to be tied to an AC plug. And it works great. I get a really long amount of light coming out of this with the power of this battery. So after testing the Artman brand, their NP-550 battery dual charger with that lit active display and the two 2900 milliamp hour NP-550 batteries, what do I think about this product? I really like it. This works really well, as I demonstrated. This is industry standard, and the fact that these have that higher capacity and that active display in there is really unique. I've never seen that before. You're not going to go wrong with this product. It works really well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information that I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.